In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on SLP future while talking about the smooth love mixture cost conjecture for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like smooth love elixir. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the smooth love elixir value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that SLP is a wise venture or not. For what reason will SLP succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will smooth love mixture value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what SLP is and its to-date history. SLP value expectation for the following 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and basic evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-0405 plus 1.03% $0 0027 2023 04 06 plus 2.74% $0 0027 2023 04 07 plus 1.12% $0 0027 2023 04 08 plus 5.84% $0 0028 2023 04 09 plus 1.85% $0 0027 2023 04 101.24% $0 0026 2023 04 11 plus 4.44% $0 0028 2023 04 12 plus 1.37% $0 0027 2023 04 132.00% $0 0026 2023 04 14 plus 0.53% $0 0027 2023 04 153.88% $0 love mixture value forecast 2023 high expansion and very hazardous large-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will presumably see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 APRA 4.24% $0 0025 2023 May 20.14% $0 0021 2023 June 21.80% $0 0021 2023 Joel 12.07% $0 0023 2023 AUG 2.69% $0 0026 2023 SEP 3.03% $0 0026 2023 OCT plus 3.46% $0 0027 2023 NOV plus 16.98% $0 0031 2023 DEC plus 28.39% $0 0034 2024 JAN plus 27.55% $0 0034 2024 Feb plus 33.93% $0 0035 2024 Blemish plus 47.00% $0 value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees SLP coming to $0 2025. What will SLP be worth in 5 years? The cost of SLP in 5 years could lie around $0. Smooth Love Elixir value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Smooth Love Mixture will be worth in 2030. Our Guajing model sees Smooth Love Mixture coming to 1 cent in 2030. What Smooth Love Elixir will be worth in 2040. Our Guajing model sees Smooth Love Elixir coming to 3 cents in 2040. Will Smooth Adore Elixir supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Smooth Love Mixture won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Smooth Adore Elixir reach 10 cents? Indeed, conceivable Smooth Love Elixir can reach 10 cents, however, just in the removed future, after 2030. Could Smooth Cherish Mixture reach $1? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Mixture to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Could Smooth Cherish Mixture reach $10? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Mixture to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Will Smooth Adore Mixture reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Mixture to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Is Smooth Love Elixir worth purchasing? We are supporters of tolerably dangerous money management. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with colossal potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, Smooth Love Elixir merits purchasing. Is Smooth Love Mixture a wise speculation? Smooth Love Elixir is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a dangerous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Smooth Adore Mixture be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0. In the long haul, it could leap to 1 cent or significantly higher. For what reason will Smooth Love Elixir succeed and get more expensive? Smooth Love Elixir has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Smooth Love Mixture ascending to 1 cent in 2030. For what reason will Smooth Love Elixir come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of all-around plan promoting technique, losing local area support, likely weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will Smooth Adore Mixture go? Our determining model sees Smooth Love Mixture value detonating and coming to 3 cents in a far-off future. What is the momentary expectation for Smooth Love Elixir? Smooth Love Elixir will reach $0 the following 90 days, which is a 38.2% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around $0. Will Smooth Cherish Mixture make you a mogul? Indeed, assuming you purchase enormous enough amount of it.